hari ini kalian dididik untuk menjadi orang penting yang tahu kepentingan. Orang penting yang siap dipimpin dan siap memimpin. Siap semuanya?
Siap!
Siap semuanya?
Siap!
Siap semuanya?
Siap!
Setiap zaman ada masanya, setiap masa ada orangnya, dan setiap orang ada pemimpinnya. Hari ini, anggota dipimpin oleh ketua kelompok dipimpin oleh panitia dipimpin oleh ustaz dan ustazah. Jadi hari ini tepat pada tanggal 24 Januari 2023 kita resmikan bahwa bumi perkemahan Mahad dan Asy Syifa telah dibuka. Takbir!
Allahu Akbar!
Takbir!
Allahu Akbar!
Takbir!
Allahu Akbar!
Baik, terima kasih atas perhatiannya. Semangat semuanya. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are the revelry, we are the dreamers. We dance through the night in our bones, we can feel it. Aiming for the stars against the sky. When we are together, we are bright. We're light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We're light up. Eyes open wide and the world is before us. We are the sound of a beautiful chorus, holding to the feeling, you and I. When we are together, we are bright. We're light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come.
Namanya, oke deh, biar kita kasih tahu ya.
Aiming for the stars against the sky. When we are together, we are bright. We're light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We're light up. We have everything we need and we know. We were made for this adventure and we were made to go. We're light up. We're light up. We're light up.
Zaman keluarga berlimpah.
Bet your rings on me.